Good morning, my friends. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me for this roll out of bed in yoga practice. Now, I have a few roll out of bed in yoga practices. That means that this practice is designed just for that. You wake up first thing in the morning and you just roll out of bed, crawl your way to the mat so you can set the tone for your day ahead. Now, for me, rolling out of bed, it's going to be hard to get myself to the mat, so what I do in the roll out of bed in yoga practices is we make the first pose that we take very gentle, very easy. For this practice overall, it's going to be pretty straightforward, nothing fancy with our yoga poses. All right, my friend, hopefully you're already in your comfy, cozy bedtime clothes and just join me in a comfortable cross-leg seated position. We're going to begin today's practice just with a neck stretch. So with a long spine, shoulders relaxed back and down away from your ears. Soften your right ear towards your right shoulder. If you'd like, you can fan your left fingertips off to the side, maybe back in space a little. And we'll just hold it here for a few breaths. Draw a line with your nose up towards the sky, getting into the front side of the neck. Draw a line with your nose down towards the earth, getting into the back side of the neck. Soften your chin down to your chest. Bring your left hand in. Inhale, lift up to center. Big breath in, lengthen up. Exhale your left ear to your left shoulder. And spider your right fingers off to the side and maybe back in space a little. Elongating your inhalations and elongating your exhalations. In and out the nose. Draw a line with your nose up towards the sky, feeling the sensations travel to the front side of your neck. And draw a line with your nose down towards the earth. Feel those sensations travel to the back side. And soften chin to chest. Bring your right arm in. Let the head get really heavy here. Chin to chest. Opening the back side of the neck. Then on your inhale, lift up to center. And very gently and lovingly make your way to hands and knees. Line those wrists underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hip points, and we'll flow through some very gentle cat-cows, breathing in, lowering the belly, lifting the heart. Exhaling around through, hollowing out. Feel free to take any feel-good movements along the way. Clearing out those cobwebs from the night slumber, lower the belly, lift the heart. Exhalation round through, chin to chest. Really press away. Last one on your own. And then I'll meet you in a neutral spine, coming into puppy pose. So keep those hips over the knees and just slide the palms forward, melting your heart towards the earth. Ground the forehead. Opening our heart space to start the day into our shoulders, Very slowly shift yourself forward, lowering to your forearms, coming into Sphinx pose. Take a moment once your pelvis is grounded and just rock side to side, feeling the grounding sensation. Beautiful. Now line your wrists underneath your shoulders, your forearms running parallel, fingertips spread nice and wide. Press away and reach your heart center forward. Shoulder heads glide back. Press your pubic bone down into the earth. Soft smile upon the face. Soften yourself forward. Slide your palms underneath your shoulders. Go ahead and press yourself up. Tuck the toes, lift your hips. Downward facing dog. Generous bend in those knees to begin. Just feel that lengthening and opening in the back sides of your legs. Take any intuitive movement here to help begin to clear out space and open the body. Awaken the body. We're coming into lizard pose next. So when you're ready, we're going to step your right foot forward to the outside of your right hand. Square the hips up, then soften the back knee to the mat. Now in your lizard pose, listen and honor your body this morning. You can stay right here or fan your foot open and then fan the knee open, coming to the outside edge of that foot. You do whatever feels best in your body this morning. Try not to go with what you think you need to do, but listen and honor the body. And you can hold in stillness or find some subtle movement to help clear out those cobwebs. If you fanned your knee open, you can take your gaze towards that back foot, letting that left hip drop towards the earth for a little deeper stretch, deeper opening. Let's lift back up. Return your solo foot to the mat, ground the left palm, and extend your left fingertips. How about your right fingertips up to the sky for a twist? Go ahead and press up here and reach back through the back heel. You're in that left lower rib cage towards the front thigh. Beautiful. Circle that top arm down. Step that front foot back. Return to downward facing dog. In your down dog, just take a moment to notice the difference of the right and left side. All right, let's take it over to the left side. So when you're ready, step that left foot forward to the outside of the left hand. Square up those hips. And then move into the lizard pose variation of your body's choice. You may find that your right and left side have different levels of flexibility. So just take whatever your body needs on this side. If you fan that knee open and you'd like to take the gaze towards the back foot, feel free to do so. That right hip lowers to the earth. Ooh, that warm sunshine upon the face feels really nice this morning. Go ahead and ground that front foot if it's not already. Ground the right palm. Extend the left fingertips up to the sky. Tuck the back toes and we'll press up. Yearn that right lower rib cage towards the front thigh. And circle that top arm down. Fingertips to the inside of the foot. This time, instead of stepping back, we're going to step your back foot to the outside of the right palm, coming into a forward fold. So feet are running parallel at the edge of the mat. Just release that upper body, slight bend in the knees. Let the head be heavy. I did forget to mention at the beginning of the practice that if you have yoga blocks, have them nearby, because next we're going to come into Malasana, or yoga squat. And sometimes whenever we're doing this one first thing in the morning, it can be nice to set a prop beneath your sits bones. So if you have a yoga block or pillow, go ahead and slide that underneath you, and we'll bring our toes to point out, heels in. Lower your hips down through center, lift the heart, bring your elbows to the inside of your thighs and gently press them away as you fuse your palms together at heart center. Stay broad and open across the chest. Lengthen your tailbone towards the earth, crown of head up towards the sky, feeling that vibrant long spine of yours. Feel that opening and awakening in your hips. Release your palms to the mat, press the hips up, returning to our forward fold. Release once more. Let's take a smooth breath in through the nose. And a releasing audible exhalation out the mouth. 2 more on your own. Beautiful, my friend. Ground the palms. We'll step 1 foot back and then the other, coming into downward facing dog. Going to move into a little core awakening so we can ignite that personal power center, acknowledge it to start the day. So shift forward, coming into plank pose. Strong plank pose here. Reach back through your heels, lengthen out through the crown of your head. So there's one long line from heels to crown of head. Press away through your knuckles, your fingertips, to stay broad and open across your shoulder girdle. Beautiful, my friend. We're going to shift forward and slowly, with control, hugging the elbows alongside your body, lower yourself all the way to the mat. Beautiful. Cobra pose. Release the tops of feet to the mat. On the inhalation, peel the upper body off the mat, using the muscles of your back to lift up to cobra. Shine the heart forward. On the exhalation, wave your spine forward. Breathe and peel the upper body off the mat. Exhalation, wave it forward. Breathe and peel the upper body off the mat. Exhalation, wave the spine forward. Press yourself up and melt your hips back to your heels for child's pose. Rock those hips side to side, really settling in here. And feel the fingertips grounded, the palms grounded, your forehead grounded. Let's walk your fingertips over to the right side, side body stretch. You're getting a nice full body stretch this morning. Press away through that left side body. You can stack your left palm atop the right if you'd like. Let's return to center and take it over to the left side. Press away through that right side body. Return to center. Release here in Child's once more for a full breath in. And a full, complete breath out. Slowly roll up. Letting your head over your heart, and your heart over your pelvis. And feel into your body. Notice your energy, your mood, how you're feeling now compared to when we first stepped on the mat together. Let's breathe in, circle your fingertips up to the sky, gathering love and light. Palms kiss, and bring all that love and light down to your heart center. Bring your thumbs to your sternum, sternum reaching up to your thumbs, sealing that love and light within. With your palms at heart center, take a moment to set your healthy living intention for the day ahead. Sending love and light to you and all beings. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this roll out of bed and yoga practice. If you enjoyed, I will go ahead and link our other roll out of bed and yoga practices in the right now up above. If you do in fact enjoy them, be sure to leave me a comment so I know and I can create more of the practices for you. All right, my friends, you have a beautiful rest of your day. May you carry these intentions with you off the mat and into your day. I hope to see you on the mat again soon.